I make music to numb your brain.
Maybach music.
Ride the wave. New young, love the beat in the Vox. Breezy tonic, fresh like rain. My beat man's cool, he's the freakiest box banger. Fox hanging on my coat, rocks hanging on my chain. And that's how you know I've been hunting the game. Bang bang and I hit it with impeccable aim. Bang bang and I blow it up. They don't know what's up if they think for a second that I do it for the fame. Cause I make music to numb your brain. Music to numb your brain, numb. I make music to numb your brain, numb.
Bottle after bottle, I'm ballin' like
Music to numb your brain.
Try to get intimate, even though they know I really ain't into it.
You're not into it?
I'm not into it. I already know the game and I've been through it. See, I buy my own bags, my boots, my jeans. Will I rock with my rebel yell underneath? You wanna step to me? Since you got a long way to go. Rock with you know you claim that you're so hot, and you say you got skills in the bed.
You can't have it all. Seems like you're just my type. After all, I know you want a bad girl. Give 'em all of that. Take his heart, won't give it back. I know you want all the love. I'll give you all of that. All of that. All of that. Your game hold weight like 18.
So some turned out better than others, but if I had more time or whatever, probably would have been better, I'm gonna definitely try that again. But it did turn some curly.
Tank on E, come get your fill up. I can't help she's salty, cause you're not with her. You look around, but ain't not real enough.